Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. Guys, I just came across this. It's funny. I know I'll get a backlash, but Umusa Khawula posted, Buntle Mudisele celebrates her broke husband who won't sell records, the 32nd birthday, pretty ugly. So, like, not only is he broke, he can't even sell a thing. And therefore, he need not be celebrated. And Obotle is busy celebrating. Like, where does Musa get these captions, guys? Like, so one of the people in the comment section said, it must be it must be tough living life this bitter, referring to Musa Khawula. Guys, Musa Khawula doesn't care. Musa Khawula just posts and then he passes. Where now you will get stuck in that whole situation alone. But yeah, happy birthday, pretty ugly.